Smoke weed every day. Smoke weed every day.
Definitely a tiger because he has the eye of the tiger.
He does have the eye of the tiger.
Are you sure about that?
Oh my God! Wow!
It's time to stop! It's time to stop, okay? No more! Where the fuck are your parents? Who are your parents? I'm gonna call Child Protective Services. It's time to stop!
Gago!
Surprise, motherfucker.
It's all there, black and white, clear as crystal. You get nothing. You lose. Good day, sir.